Hi there, today I'm making a simple baked oats recipe and you can make it in 10 different flavours. I'm going to show you how to make the base recipe and then you can choose your favourite flavour from the 10 that I've included. So in here I've got 200 grams of porridge oats. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and give that a mix together. I'm going to set this to one side. Now for my wet ingredients, I have 420 ml of milk here. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use maple syrup either. I'm going to mix this together. Great. Just get your dry ingredients and pour in your wet. Now the option I'm picking is raspberry, just with a little hint of cinnamon. So I've got a good pinch of cinnamon here and I've got 150 grams of raspberries. I'm going to put in about 3/4 of those. I'm going to leave some for the top. You can use fresh or frozen. Mix everything together. I do love the carrot cake one as well. Grated carrot, walnuts and some lovely spices too. Gorgeous. When you make your baked oats, your base recipe, instead of adding the raspberries and the cinnamon, you can choose one of the other options and just add them in. All right, I'm happy with that. This is the dish I'm using. It's a 9 by 9 and I've just greased it with some butter. Okay, get that in there. Going to add a couple of raspberries to the top. Just a little tip for you, if you buy fresh fruit, pop them into the freezer. They freeze really well. Sometimes you can get them reduced and they're great value as well. They don't keep long in the fridge, so just put them into the freeze. And there it is, everyone. It's ready for the oven. It's going to take about 25 to 30 minutes. We'll check at 25. And here we have it, a nice golden colour. It smells wonderful. And I took it out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. I'm going to cut a little bit now so you can see what it's like. Beautiful. And we're going to serve this with some Greek yogurt and some raspberries. Beautiful. You could have this on its own either. And there you have it, everyone. Which flavour are you going to try?